Shastravadishvarasamarambam Nityanandeshwari Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, and Facebook Live. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today I am back to the satsang with one more product, the spiritual alchemy product. The mandala through which you can see Akashic records. The Sadashivoham 2016, all of you are going to be initiated into unique power. Through Jnananjana, you will be able to see. At least I'll make sure you are initiated and given the first experience, glimpse here. Then maybe for a few days you may have to manifest after going back. If you are too strongly decided to be in matrix, only then you may even have to manifest after going from here for a few days. If you have decided to be out of the matrix, here itself you will manifest the powers. And this will be energized. One side mirror. Mirror is the initial level training to see the Akashic records. And the granite slab is the place permanently you can see. So this too, this will be energized, and you will also be given the spiritual alchemy products to connect. You will be able to see the Akashic records. So first time I am making this science available to the whole world in the large scale. In large number. Let me explain the science behind it first. Understand the truth is, all the happenings and whatever has happened, going to happen, is on the dimension called time. Time is the sheet on which all these are drawn. Or I can say time is the chip in which all these are recorded. There is something called default future. If this is the way your past was, then this is the way the future will be if you don't interfere. Of course, you have a right to interfere, and if you interfere, the future will change. Through this alchemy product, the mandala, you will be able to read the default future. The default future can be studied, which will be an amazing, educating inspiration for you to alter, manifest in a different way as you want, wherever you want. So first thing, understand, it will be an amazing input for your day-to-day life. It will be an amazing input for your day-to-day life, to make your day-to-day life better and see your near and dear ones, Akashic records. The time is one of the dimensions, just like length, breadth, depth. And you are hardwired to access the time dimension also. Please understand. Unfortunately, falsely you are made to believe you can manipulate only length, breadth, depth. No. If you think you can manipulate only length, breadth, depth, you are a man under the matrix. If you understand, you can play with time and space and all other dimensions, the various permutation combinations of these dimensions. Only then you are divine out of the matrix. Through this Akashic records, access to Akashic records, I am giving you access to manipulate, play with time dimension. Dimension of time. You are given access to manipulate, play with time dimension. Understand, I am not talking in sci-fi language, I mean scientific fiction language. I am talking in scientific truth language. This is not sci-fi language, scientific fiction, no. This is scientific and truth language. If I am making all this understand, I am going to give you the powers, because I don't waste anything. I am a miser. Understand? When it comes to wasting, I am a miser. I don't waste. When it comes to giving, I am Sadashiva. When it comes to wasting, I am a miser. I don't waste. If I am making this for all of you, be very clear. I am making you also to manifest the power. Everything is getting ready. Everything is getting ready. Is your will persistence getting ready? Is the question I want to ask you. That's the only thing you need to prepare it. That is the only thing you need to prepare it. Everything else is getting ready. That is the only thing you need to prepare it. So, Sadashiva himself is getting ready for Sadashivoham. Is your Aham getting ready for Sadashivoham? This is the essence of today's satsang. Facebook status for all of you. Sadashiva is getting ready for Sadashivoham. Is your Aham getting ready for Sadashivoham? And we have a lot to do and we are doing it. So let me come back to the next satsang with next spiritual alchemy product. So I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.